Hey guys, this is Apple Gamer 247. I went out today and I went to GameStop and I picked up two things, a game and something else. I picked up a new headset because mine broke. And obviously, I've been playing with it, trying to get the plastic off since the damn thing is so hard to open. It would take me the whole video to get it open. So just a plain old wire headset. You've probably seen one of these before. But probably the most important thing you want to see is this. I picked up Left 4 Dead for my Xbox 360. I was really excited to have this because, first of all, I pre-ordered it at, no, I didn't pre-order it. I had it on order at Game Crazy. And when it launched, they didn't call me to tell me that my order was ready. So they sold it today. Just my luck. So I did some hunting. I called my GameStop and my mom, and I had 100 copies left, so I picked one up. So basically, here's your front, side, and your back, which is pretty vivid. Hang on guys, let me just turn on the light. Sorry about the noise. But here's the back again in case you didn't see it the first time. So, back. Now I'm gonna open it and tell you about, oh. Damn stickers. I'll try to get most of the unwrapping on camera, but I'll probably just wrap it off the side. So, I just gotta take the stickers off, and the security seal. You don't want to wait, you can skip through. Oh, Christ, how... Here's one. Sticky. And there's another one. Got that one. And oh, that sucks. Wait to pack it. Well, here is the disc that was laying. Disc that was laying differently. It was like on the booklet. I don't know if that caused any scratches, but if it does, I'm taking it back. And the booklet is pretty, which isn't not really many pages. This tells you not, some parts are in color, some parts are not, but so yeah, that was the unboxing of Left 4 Dead. And please guys tell me if you liked the review of the first game unboxing, because I know I done an Xbox unboxing, and the cell phone one is pretty new. But tell me if you guys like these, and if I don't receive any feedback, I'll stop doing them and just do game updates. So yeah, guys, I'll see you later.